Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So starting off, I will be using this arch brow by Billions and going to take their brow lift kit and going to use this highlighting shade and going to highlight my brows with it and going to use the brow gel to lift my brows and going to take this Jaclyn Hill's Vault collection with Morphe brushes, going to take the color from the Dark Magic palette and going to use this on as my transition shade and going to take this color potion, it's army green color, and going to start applying this color on the crease right underneath the transition shade so it looks blended together, and going to take this color inside job, it's a dark green color, and going to start blending up this color on the outer V, then going to drag it a little bit over on my crease, not going to take it all the way to inner corner, just going to place this color on the outer V and going to take a large blending brush and diffuse the harsh edges, and going to take some concealer and going to start carving out my lid area, and going to take this trickery color, it's a green metallic color, and going to put this right on the middle part of my lid with a flat shader brush. And going to take this color Power Cut from the same palette and going to use it on my inner corners of the eyes. And going to take this Makeup Revolutions Pressed Glitter palette and going to take this color Alcamy on my inner corners, and going to take this G-Class lashes in Brigit and going to apply this on my eyes. And going to take this Dr. Brant's luminizing primer and Loreal Pro Glow foundation in 208 and going to buff it using this Sigma F80 Kabuki brush. I have a discount code, I will leave it on the description box. And I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution concealer and going to put this on my under eyes and the highest points of my face and going to blend it out using this Morphe's E20 brush, and going to take this Mercier's translucent powder and going to take this Sigma's 3D sponge and going to apply it on my face and some contour to contour my cheekbones, and going to chisel out my cheekbones using this same translucent powder, and going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit and going to apply it on my cheekbones and the bridge of my nose and forehead, and going to set my face using this Cover FX luminizing setting spray, and going to smoke out my lower lash line with the same matte colors I used on my crease. And going to take this Too Faced Cool Girl liquid lipstick and going to apply it on my lips, and going to take this Colourpop and Makeup Shayla's collab too and going to dab it on my lips so it looks really like peachy slash nudish. And yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, I will see you guys on my next tutorial. Bye.